बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम टॉपिक करने जा रहे हैं रिस्पायरेटरी डिसऑर्डर्स। और रिस्पायरेटरी डिसऑर्डर्स में चंद कॉमन डिसऑर्डर्स पे डिस्कशन करेंगे। रिस्पायरेटरी डिसऑर्डर्स क्या होते हैं? एनी abstraction in respiratory system, any problem in respiratory system due to microorganism or due to any physical agent is regarded as respiratory disorder. The causes of respiratory disorders includes major causes are pollutants in air as well as the smoke and dust and microorganisms. The percentage of such disorders is particularly high in Pakistan. The reason is more concentration of air pollutants not only in urban but also in rural atmosphere. Some of the important respiratory disorders will be discussed today. The first one is bronchitis. Bronchitis, as the name is telling, this is some problem with bronchi and bronchioles. So what is it? Bronchitis is inflammation of bronchi or bronchioles. There is inflammation in bronchi and bronchioles. It results in the secretion of mucus in the tubes. Due to inflammation, the mucus gets secreted into the tubes, which may lead to swelling of tubular walls. When the tubular walls get swollen, as a result, it result in narrowing of tubes. Tubes get narrow. As a result of swelling, they become narrow. Now the tubes become narrow and the passageway become the lumen internal opening, the cavity become narrow. So the causes of bronchitis include viruses, bacteria, and exposure to some chemical irritants. Chemical irritants are including tobacco smoke. So there are two types of bronchitis. One is acute bronchitis, that is not very much severe, and the other is chronic bronchitis, that is very severe. Acute bronchitis usually lasts for 2 weeks and the patient recover with no permanent damage in bronchi and bronchiole. When the patient recover, then the damage in bronchi and bronchiole do not remain anymore and there is no permanent damage in bronchi and bronchiole. While in chronic bronchitis, the problem remain for 3 months to 2 years and it result in chronic inflammation in bronchi and bronchioles. So the symptoms includes coughing, mild wheezing. Wheezing क्या होता है? Wheezing कहते हैं whistle like sound. सांस जब लेता है पेशेंट तो एक सीटी की तरह की आवाज़ आती है, ठीक है, उसके सीने से. फीवर, चिल्स, ठंड लगती है. शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ, सांस लेने में मसला होता है जब ज़्यादा फिज़िकल एक्सर्शन वाला काम किया जाए क्योंकि उस वक्त सांस फूल जाता है, ठीक है. और द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पीपल डायग्नोज्ड विथ क्रोनिक ब्रोंकाइटिस आर 45 ईयर्स ऑफ एज और ओल्डर, ठीक है ना. 45 ईयर और उससे ज़्यादा के लोगों को क्रोनिक ब्रोंकाइटिस ऑब्ज़र्व किया गया है, ठीक है. तो अभी तक हमने बात की कॉजेज़ ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी डिसऑर्डर्स की. देन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड द ब्रोंकाइटिस, देन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इट्स कॉजेज़, इट्स टाइप एंड इट्स सिम्टम्स.